Among the negative traits of the soul is showing off one's righteous deeds to people. Muslims should understand that if they act for the sake of people, they will gain no reward from Allah, the Exalted, in this world or the next. In fact, according to the narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 4203, these people will be told on Judgment Day to seek their reward from the people they acted for, which will not be possible. In reality, pleasing people while disobeying Allah, the Exalted, is simply foolish, as the people will not be able to protect them from Allah, the Exalted. Whereas, if one obeys Allah, the Exalted, the displeasure of people will not affect them in this world or in the next, even if this divine protection is not obvious to them. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.